Good morning, student. Now I am going to take the topic of History Unit 5. History Unit 5. Social and religious reform movement in 19th centuries. Unit 5. Social religious reforms in 19th centuries. First one is social. Second one is religious reforms. So, in the English educations, they introduced with the producing the clerk. So, increasing the clerk post, and they produced a new English educator in the middle classes. So, middle classes peoples encouraged, so accepted the English educations, the influence of the Western ideas and thought. The middle class peoples also accepted the Western ideas and thought. After that, yes, the Christianity also had its efforts of the newly emergence of the middle classes. So the middle classes peoples, only small numbers, little numbers of the groups are agreed the Western educations and the Western styles. So after that, the main things is the middle classes lead to these politicals as well as the reform movement. So the middle classes peoples only accepted the Western ideas and cultures thought. So the middle class peoples only lead to the politicals and religious reforms. After that, it gets the quite postate of the subject, the old notions, the hegemonies of both of the Western and Indian cultures. So the middle class peoples merge the Western and Indian cultures. Their ideas of their action helped the migrate. The actions helped to the magnicate. So that magnicate some of the important the 19th centuries, some of the social ills and female infanticides, untouchabilities. Like this problem also is solved in the 19th centuries. After that, in the 19th centuries, two important movement. One is the reformist movement. Second one is revivalist movement. So the reformist movement is also, first one is Brahma Samaj, Pratana Samaj and Aligarh movement. The revivalent movement also is, first one is Arya Samaj, Ramakrishna Missions, Theobald movement. So these three important revolutions are in the 19th centuries. There were also the attempt to the challenge of the oppressive social structure by the Jyoti Phule, Narayana Guru, the Jyoti Phule, Narayana Guru, Rajaram Mohan Rai, Ramalinga Adigals, Ayodhi Dasas, and Ayyangali in Kerala, some of the social reformers found in India. Next one is 5.1, the early reforms movement in Bengal. The early reforms movement in Bengal, the Rajaram Mohan Rai founded in the Brahmo Samaj. He is born in 1772 and in 1833. He is the early accepted, the agreed the Western styles, the Western educations. After that, he is the first the Western ideas to educate. He is the great scholar and the world vaster the knowledge of the. First one is Bengali, English, Sanskrit, and like that. So, Sanskrit, Arabic, Persians, and English, apart from the knowledge. It is the Rajaram Mohan Rai, the mother tongue is the Bengali, is well known. After is the mainly the Rajaram Mohan Rai opposite for the meaningless religious ceremonies, and all form of the pernicious social customs. The Rajaram Mohan Rai monopolies the only one God, that God is a supreme God. So Rajaram Mohan Rai. So some of the lot of the Asia said, and Rajaram Mohan Rai wanted to post the ideologies. So wanted to preserve the continue with the past. This is a religious, philosophical and social outlook. This is the philosophical, social, religious, and is opposite the anti-idealist. So the ideals. After that is the mainly focus on monopolytheism. Is deeply influenced the monotheisms and anti-idolatry based on his interpretations. The Upanishads, he argued that all the ancient texts, Hindus, the preached the monotheism is worship of the God. Monotheisms, the worship of the God. After is the Rajaram Mohan Rai. So some of the reforms movement is advocated and opposite. For examples, the polygamy. The opposite the polygamy and is a sati. And it is after the rituals like that.